fellow Rotarians, ladies and gentlemen, it's time to relax and enjoy the special entertainment for tonight.
If I may invite the children's choir from Yau Ma Tei Kaifeng Association School Show Choir to the stage. Let's welcome the lovely singers for a song, Can't Stop the Feeling. Woo!
I got this feeling inside my bones. It goes electric wavy when I turn it on. All through my city, all through my home. We're flying up no ceiling when we in the zone. I got that sunshine in my pocket, got that good soul in my feet. Feel that hot blood in my body when it drops. Ooh, I can't take my eyes off it, moving so phenomenally. All of the way we rock it, don't stop. Under the lights when everything goes, nowhere to hide when I'm getting you close. When we move, yeah, you already know. So just imagine, just imagine. Nothing I can see but you when you dance, dance, dance. Good, good creeping up on you, so just dance, dance, dance. Come on, all those things I shouldn't do, but you dance, dance, dance. Ain't nobody leaving, so just keep dancing. Just stop the feeling. Just dance, dance, dance. Just dance, dance, dance. Ooh, it's something magical. It's in the air, it's in my blood, it's rushing on. I don't need no reason, don't need control. I fly so high, no ceiling when I'm in my zone. I got that sunshine in my pocket, got that good soul in my feet. Feel that hot blood in my body when it drops. Ooh, I can't take my eyes off it, moving so phenomenally. All of the way we rock it, don't stop. And under the lights when everything goes, nowhere to hide when I'm getting you close. When we move, well, you already know. So just imagine. Just imagine. Nothing I can see but you when you dance, 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 dance. The good, good creeping up on you. So just dance, dance, dance. Come on. All those things I shouldn't do, but you dance, 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 dance. There ain't nobody leaving, so just keep dancing. Don't stop the feeling. So just dance, dance, dance. Just dance, dance, dance. Got this feeling in my body. 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 Come on.
Wow, what a wonderful performance. Is it enough? 夠唔夠啊？夠唔夠喉啊？係咪唔夠啊？聽唔到喎，係咪唔夠喉啊？
Well, there are lots more to come. Let us welcome the Hong Kong Police Band and Governor H.W. Fung to join this children's choir to perform another song, 獅子山下.
嗱，請大家靜一靜下，欣賞咁精彩嘅歌唱表演啦。
Everyone, can we have some silence, please?
人生中有歡喜，難免亦常有淚。我哋大家在獅子山下相遇上，總算是歡笑大於唏噓。
人生不免崎嶇，難以絕無掛慮。幾時同舟在獅子山下且共濟，拋棄區分求共對，放開彼此心中矛盾。理想一起去追，同舟人世相隨，無畏更無懼。
同珠海角天邊，攜手踏遍崎嶇。我哋大家用艱辛努力寫下那不朽香港名句。
放開彼此心中矛盾，理想一起去追，同舟人世相隨，無畏更無懼。同珠海角天邊，攜手踏平崎嶇，我哋大家用艱辛努力寫下那不朽香港名句。我哋大家用艱辛努力寫下那不朽香港名句。
Thank you so much, all singer. The children choir from Yama Te Kai Phong Association School Show Choir, and also our DGHW phone, and also Hong Kong Police Band as well. So now we have a souvenir program for you. May I invite Governor HW and the Honorable Mr. Jeffrey Lam to the stage. May I invite representative from Hong Kong Police Band for the souvenir. Hong Kong Police Band representative, please.
Thank you, Mr. Lam. Thank you, Mr. Lam. You may return to your seat. If I may now invite Mrs. Marian Lai Chan Chi Kun, JP Permanent Secretary for Security Bureau, to join Governor HW on the stage to present the second souvenir. Mrs. Lai, please. May I invite the representative from Yau Ma Tei Kai Phong Association School Show Choir to come forward for the souvenir.
Thank you, Mrs. Marianne Lai. You may return to your seats. Now, for the third souvenir, I would like to invite Dr. the Honorable Lam Ching Choi to join the Governor HW to the stage. Ladies and gentlemen, please welcome the most hard-working person of the event, District Installation Organizing Committee Chair, Past President Dennis Chen. Please come forward for the souvenir.
Thank you, Dr. Lam and Governor HW, and of course, past President Dennis. Also, thank you very much, the Hong Kong Police Band, as well as the Children's Choir. You may return to your seats now.
Fellow Rotarians, ladies and gentlemen, please welcome one of the most important guests from Rotary International, our past Rotary International President, Gary Huang, to the stage and give us a few words. Gary, please.
Fellow Rotarians, 你好. District Governor H.W. Fang and First Lady Irene, immediate past District Governor Eric Chin and Lady Christine, all the honorable guests, my dear fellow Rotarians, spouse, and friend in the family of Rotary, good evening. I'm so glad can be invited by District Governor HW and tonight's Chair, PP Dennis, to watch and witness this such a great, very elegant and wonderful installation ceremony. I hope you agree. Today's ceremony has so many different things. May I borrow your hand to give our committee chair and the organizing committee a big round of applause. As some of you may know, the time is flying. Exactly 30 years ago, 1986-87, I have honor to serve as district governor of District 345. That means 30 years ago, Hong Kong, Macau, and northern part of Taiwan belong to District 345. That year, we have 82 clubs to start, and are able to charter 19 new clubs. So when I finish, we are paid the role for Rotary to expand to China. So we split into 3450, 3460, 3470, and 3480, become 4 districts. And I still remember, I'm very happy. During that year, 3 clubs was chartered here in Hong Kong and Macau. And 1 club is Golden Mile. We already have 2 district governors. I met them already, David Haralila and Dipo. We give them a big round of applause. And also one is a Hong Kong Northwest. And also one is a Hong Kong Harbor Club. And Hong Kong Harbor Club charter president, my very good friend, C.P. Patrick Poon, is here today. Let's give him a big welcome. And I'm also very happy, 2 years ago when I served as Rotary International first Chinese president after 108 years. And your past governor, Belinda Young, was one of the best class governor, and she's also here. Where's you? Belinda Young, would you please come forward? That year, Hong Kong, Macau also performed very, very well. And that year, with the support of our outstanding governor, Belinda Young, and her best class team, all that year's president and the secretaries, if you are in this room, would you please also rise? Because you make the history. According to the statistic, that year's Rotary new member increased 40,000 net increase and come out to be the highest in 110 years. So we back up to 1.23 million Rotarians. And also Rotary Foundation, we able to raise 269 million, and also is the highest in the history of Rotary. Congratulations to the best class in 3450. Please give them a big round of applause. So please allow me, as last year's president, would like to present a presidential gold coin to my best class president, Belinda Young.
Thank you. Thank you so much.
Please give her a big hand, all right? Okay. And also today I'm very happy to all the new president and outgoing, the all-star presidents. I want to congratulate to all of you, because all you guys done a fantastic job. You increased 13 clubs. That's not easy, because last year, the whole world membership did not increase, still in balance. So you're able to increase so many Rotary Club and Rotaract Club. Past Governor Eric, please stand. Let's give him another big round of applause. And all the All-Star team. 掌声大一点，好不好？热烈一点。这个是我们3450港澳舍友们，你们的骄傲，你们是全世界最好的，所以恭喜你们。And today I'm also very pleased to tell all our guests and all our friends, Rotary just like a big family. Today I'm so happy to see, believe it or not, when 30 years ago, I served as district governor of 345. After that, we split. So all of them call me the last governor from Taiwan, but not last emperor. But today, I see so many of that year's club president. And now he is here, our honorable guest, past president Jeffrey Lan. He is here all the time. Let's give him a big hand. Also past district governor Joseph Lee. He was my AG during that year. And of course, Patrick Pong is here, is my charter president, but he didn't want to be the governor. Otherwise, he could be the governor a long time ago. So please come forward. And we started because of insurance company, and we know each other during those times. Believe it or not, 30 years ago, when I visited Hong Kong and Macau, because Hong Kong, Macau still not take back to China. So every official visit, I need a visa to come to Hong Kong. I need a visa from Hong Kong to Macau. Then I need a visa from Macau back to Hong Kong. But nowadays, we are open. So I'm very happy to see so many younger governors come out. And today I'm very happy to see this new governor, HW, and his team really making a lot of difference. I've been traveling around the world for more than 100 countries. But it's the first time I do the toast and hang in there for more than 1 minute without saying anything. I think most of you also do not have this experience. But anyway, fellow Terrans, I'm glad that we have a new leader this year. So I would like to also follow your hand again and to invite the district governor, HW, to come to the stage. And also immediate past district governor, Eric, would you please also come to the stage? Because last year, when I traveled to a lot of countries, nobody remember anything I say when I was president. But everyone, no matter in which country, they remember my happy clap. So today, Eric, would you please come forward? So I would like to invite all of you. I want to see my home district 3450. If you still remember what Belinda governor teach you 2 years ago. So what we did is, IPDG, Eric, would you please come forward? So I'd like to follow your hand, all right, everybody? We do happy clap this way. We do it once, twice, 3 times, 4 times, and 2 times. So are you ready to try? Okay, may I follow your hand, all right? Happy clap, go! Very good, but you can do better. Let's do it one more time. Eric's still not here. Okay, One more time. Happy clap, then we go to lesson 2, all right? Before I finish it. Happy clap, go! Very good. Lesson 2, I hope you still remember. When we say everything good, everything you like, everything beautiful, we turn our thumbs up and say 赞. So, if I call IPDG Eric, you say 赞, okay? PDG Eric. That's no 赞. Please say it louder and happier. PDG Eric. Governor HW. Very good, much better. HW. Eric. When I say District 3450, please chant 3 times, okay? District 3450. This side, not, they talk too much. One more time. District 3450. Okay, very good. So, fellow Terrans, ladies and gentlemen, thank you for coming to witness this wonderful installation ceremony. So, before I finish, I want you to join me to give these 2 gentlemen a happy clap, and then we will say 赞. If you do it good, I will go down to my seat. If no good, we will practice again. Okay, are you ready? To thank IPDG Eric for his wonderful service to our community. And also another happy clap to our District Governor HW to greet his team and his leadership to help us continue to making a difference. So happy clap, go! IPDG Eric, HW, District 3450. 谢谢，祝大会成功。
Thank you, Past RI President Gary. We are grateful for your presence.
Ladies and gentlemen, it's time to invite past Governor Eugene Fong to come on stage.